Welcome back to Future Car, the place where we explore the most exciting machines on four wheels. And today, we're diving deep into an icon that redefines power, presence, and luxury. Say hello to the Mercedes-AMG G63. At first glance, the G63 doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention. With its boxy, military-inspired design that dates back to the late 70s, Mercedes has somehow managed to preserve its rugged roots while infusing it with ultra-modern luxury and mind-blowing performance. The signature Panamericana grille, the aggressive front bumper, and the massive 22-inch wheels make it clear. This isn't just an SUV. This is a statement. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 877 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. That power is sent through a 9-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels, launching this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. And yes, that's in a vehicle that weighs nearly 6,000 pounds. It's basically a rolling tank with the heart of a supercar. But the G63 isn't just about speed. It's about versatility. With Mercedes-AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, this thing can tackle mountain trails as easily as it handles urban streets. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising through downtown, the G63 delivers a ride that's both thrilling and smooth. Step inside, and you're greeted with the kind of interior you'd expect from a high-end luxury sedan, only bolder. Diamond-stitched, Napa leather, dual 12.3-inch digital displays, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and a Burmester surround sound system that turns your ride into a rolling concert hall. Every surface, every stitch, screams craftsmanship. But it's not just luxury, it's intelligent. With advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, the G63 gives you cutting-edge tech wrapped in old-school charisma. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle choice. Whether you're a celebrity in LA or an adventurer in the Alps, the G63 fits your world. It's loud, it's unapologetic, it's powerful, and above all, it's timeless. So, is the Mercedes-AMG G63 the ultimate SUV? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. But if you want the perfect mix of luxury, performance, and presence, there's nothing quite like it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Car, and let us know in the comments. If you had the keys to a G63 for one day, where would you go? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next drive.